Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create video collage in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to add my video to the timeline. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the video and we can make the video smaller like this, and then you can arrange your video. And for the second video, I'm going to add the video as an overlay. Okay, and again we can click on the video and we can arrange the position. Oops. Okay, for example, I'm going to place it right here. Okay, then you can arrange your video guys. It's up to you. Alright, and then I'm going to add this video as well, again as the overlay. Oops, sorry. Okay, I'm going to make it smaller and arrange the video. I'm going to place it here and then this one as well. Okay, for this video I'm going to make it smaller and I'm going to place it here. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create video collage in Filmora. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.